Hello, I'm John Keller, and I'm the Assistant Superintendent for Technology in the Indiana Department of Education. Just wrapping up my time at the department, actually. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about one of the challenges that we think a lot about at the Department of Education and one example of how we go about solving that. One of our challenges in Indiana, one of the things we see as a problem that's worth solving is how to increase the capacity of educators in our state for innovation and for leading in these exciting times for educational technology and for learning. And so when we go about solving this challenge or attempt to solve it, we ask ourselves, what can we do? What should we do? And at least a partial answer to those two questions is that we think that the department is uniquely suited to be able to connect educators to each other and to amplify the good work that folks in Indiana are doing. And so to this end, we're looking around the state for observing the trends that were occurring over the last few years. And one of the things we began to notice is that districts across Indiana were starting to have these really high-powered little mini conferences in the summer. And they were fairly popular because of travel issues and budgets and things like that, and very well attended. So that there wasn't extensive cost and things like that involved. And we thought to ourselves, I wonder if there's a way we can get more of that. How can we foster that kind of thinking, that kind of participation, that high-tech and high-touch kind of work in our state? And so we launched a mini competition for grants and using a few state discretionary dollars that we had. We put out a call for proposals, and we funded 15 to 20 conferences last year all around the state, and they were very well attended. We reached about 5,000 teachers with locally designed, state-supported professional development. And this year, we just announced the new round of folks. Many of them from last year are repeating. We're funding 17 regional conferences this year, and we've set our targets on reaching 8,000 teachers in the coming year. So we kind of think of this as a strategy that involves pouring gasoline on a fire that's already burning. And with just the department's limited resources, manpower, dollars, there's no way that we could pull off 17 conferences of the caliber that are being designed all around the state with our partners. And that's the other thing. We really look at these schools and these institutions that are putting together these conferences as our partners, and we're working with them over the course of the months leading up to the summer to do some collaborative design of these conferences, to talk about ways to share costs and things like that. And so we think that every teacher in the state of Indiana will be within easy driving distance of high-quality educational technology-related professional development this summer, and we think that will help to increase the capacity for innovation in our state.